In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files and folders in Microsoft OneDrive. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. So, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account login page. Once you're there, enter your credentials and hit that sign in button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, don't forget to complete that step as well. It's an important security measure to keep your account safe. Logging in is essential because all our actions will take place within your OneDrive interface. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate and click on the app's launcher. You'll find this icon, which resembles a grid, in the top left corner of your dashboard. It's essentially a gateway to all the Microsoft services at your disposal. From the array of applications that appear, look for the OneDrive icon and click on it. This will redirect you to your OneDrive storage space, where all your cloud-saved files and folders reside. Now that you're in OneDrive, focus your attention on the left-hand panel and find the option labeled Recycle Bin. Go ahead and click on it. The Recycle Bin is where OneDrive temporarily stores your deleted files and folders. It acts like a safety net, ensuring that your files are not immediately lost forever. Once you're inside the Recycle Bin, take a moment to browse through the list of deleted items and find the files or folders you wish to restore. If you're dealing with a large number of items, you might find it useful to utilize the search bar at the top. This can quickly help you locate what you're looking for. Click on the checkbox next to the item names to select them for recovery. With your items selected, turn your attention to the top menu and click on the Restore option. This simple action will trigger OneDrive to move the selected items back to their original locations in your storage. It's like retracing your steps back to the moment before you hit the delete button. Remember, the key here is timeliness. Deleted files and folders are stored in the OneDrive Recycle Bin temporarily, giving you a window of opportunity to recover them before they are automatically purged. It's important to act promptly if you realize something important has been deleted. On another note, keep in mind that if you permanently delete files from the Recycle Bin, those cannot be recovered. So, double-check your Recycle Bin contents before hitting that final delete to ensure you're absolutely certain about removing something for good. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to restoring deleted files and folders in Microsoft OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.